Hello everyone and welcome back to a new lecture, Computing Aggregate Statistics on Matching Rows. So it is possible to compute descriptive statistics on just the rows that match certain criteria. First, let's create some data. Now let's create import pandas as PD. Now we have to copy this down what we just served here. Now we will write create list zip names grades BS MS PhD. Now df is equals to pd dot data frame data is equals to grade list columns is equals to name grade BS MS PhD TF. Okay, so now okay, so now we have to remove these. Okay, so we got this. Now, okay, we have covered how to find the rows that match a set of criteria. We have also covered how to compute descriptive statistics, both all at once and one by one. If you put those two together, you will be able to find the statistics of the data that matches certain criteria. So to count the rows of the people without PhD, use the code shown here. Okay. df dot loc df phd zero dot count. Okay, so you can use any of the aggregate statistics functions on individual columns in the same way. So to find the average grade of those people without a PhD, now you have to run the code compute aggregate statistics on a particular column. df.loc df phd 0 grade dot mean. It's 82.5. Now it's your turn. Your turn. Now, using the data from what I will write here, what is the average grade for people with master's degrees? Okay, so we have a question here. Okay, now let me write the data. Okay, it's just, we will copy this down. We will paste here. And now we will Bob, Jessica, Mary, John, Mel, Sam, Kathy, Henry, Lloyd, Now grades will be 76, 95, 77, 78, 99. Now 84, 79, 100, 73. Now it will be 11001, 11001. Now 1101, 1101. Now for MS it will be 21000, 21000. It will be 1100, 1100. Now for PhD we have 2100, 2100. Oops. Okay, I got it. So I just run the data and you have to find the average for that. So now let's move on to another lecture.